Hi, CSS nesting prevents duplication in your code. For example, here we have two selectors and we are duplicating title. We can write much better code with CSS nesting. We'll use just title and then we will nest our two classes, our green and our blue. Also, you can use CSS nesting with pseudo classes. For example, let's have pseudo class hover and let's color yellow. In this case, we will need a special sign and here let's add our hover and our color yellow. It will be the same. Be really careful with this and sign. In case if you add it to the class, it will change selector to a different one, where there is no space, and this is a completely different selector when you have a space. If you need a space, you can actually add a space and it will be the same as this selector. Unfortunately, there are some limitations to CSS nesting. We cannot use just simple elements, like div. We will have invalid CSS, because it requires that selector will start from one of these elements. In this case, we can just add and sign, and it will be valid. It will be similar to this selector, where instead of hover, we have div. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.